running as fast as possible. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you again for hosting my next video.
Absolutely.
You're always hosting.
This is so fun.
It is fun. I like doing this. So I got this awesome little snack box from, where did I see? I think Amazon. It was Amazon. Going with that final answer. It is a British snack box. Audrey lived in England for a long time, and I was like, this is the perfect thing to share with Audrey. So
absolutely.
Hopefully we'll get a lot of stories about stuff that you recognize. The box is basically British, and I think there's a good combination of like sweet and salty snacks. So
okay.
I think that'll be super fun. And I love this wrapping. I've been like fawning over it with the bow and the...
Yeah, very nice presentation, I will say.
Well done. Well done. Jolly good. Wavelengths. Yes. Great. I'm gonna just rip on into it.
Do it.
This is right on top. It says basically British. How cute. And it's a little pot holders. That's so cute.
It's for your tea.
Tea. That's what I said. What did you think I said? Okay, so this is for like teapot, tea kettle?
Yeah, like a tea kettle.
For
like tea coasters.
Oh, okay. That's cute. Basically British.
Basically.
Should we do British accents throughout this? That could be fun.
We could try. Mine's not very good. Fun story. When I was a kid, I lived in England for a few years. My dad was in the military who got stationed over there, and we initially lived in a British community. So we didn't live on the base with all the Americans. I was young enough to where I was impressioned on to have had an accent, but when I moved back to America, people wanted me to like say things all the time.
Oh my gosh.
And I thought that that was bad. I didn't realize that they were like, oh, that's cool. I thought they were making fun of me.
Oh no.
And so I did everything that I could to suppress that accent and like mimic the way that they talk.
So this is slightly traumatizing for you, is what you're saying?
No, it's not at all. Like I love England, I love all my British people, but my accent just like totally went away.
Crazy.
If I could go back in time, I would hold on to that thing. That's like, that makes you cool, right?
Yeah, no, it's so cool.
So I did when I was a kid. I had a little British accent. We lived an hour outside of London in like a little town called Little Paxton. If you're familiar with that, it was a cute little village.
I'm so jealous. I want to go so badly.
I definitely want to go back, especially with like COVID and the travel restrictions and stuff. We really want to travel, so you should definitely come with us next time we go.
Travel vlog.
Heck yeah. Send us to Europe.
GoFundMe.
GoFundMe to Europe.
Our Europe trip. All right, I'm just gonna pick something random.
Go for it.
What's this? It says, I guess, is that a play on Java cakes?
I guess so. Jaffa cake.
Jaffa cake?
I don't think
Zingy orangey cake bar.
Cake bar.
Cake bar. It feels spongy.
Interesting. I don't think I've ever had that. Over there, they really like to put orange in things.
Really?
Yes.
It's a little crumbled.
Yeah. A little squish.
A little squished there.
This looks like something that like people would probably have with their tea. Got like orange jelly in it. That's good. It tastes like those little chocolate orange slices.
There's something very specific that this reminds me of, and I can't think of it.
It's a very British snack.
I would eat that for fun, by choice.
With your tea.
Yeah, some orange flavored tea.
Yeah.
That'd be delicious.
Probably that's more of like an adult snack. I don't think kids really would get after that. Okay, so I see something in this box that I'm actually really excited that it's in there. Walker's potato chips, and it's the prawn flavor. I was telling you about this the other day.
Is that what it's gonna taste like fish?
Shrimp. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of these before, but the prawn cocktail Walker's chips, I'm sorry, crisps.
Crisps. Because chips are French fries. Yes. And French fries are not French. Cookies, aren't those like biscuits or something?
But anyway, this is my favorite flavor of Walker's chips.
Okay.
You either love it or you hate it.
I'm excited and terrified. The logo looks like Lay's potato chips.
I think it may be owned by Lay's. I'm not entirely sure.
I smell the cocktail on there because it says prawn cocktail. Oh my gosh.
You like
yes. That is really good. In Japan, they have a lot of fish flavored chips. I couldn't really get into this, but this is delicious. And I think the cocktail sauce has a lot to do with it. And I have one more. That's really good.
Yes. Yeah, the prawn cocktail Walker's chips. Second best is the salt and vinegar.
I was very hesitant. I did not believe you when you said, but I believe you now.
Thank
you. My apologies. I was wrong.
Wrong.
you said salt and vinegar, and I am going to pull it up. Oh, cheese and onion. So
cheese and onion's good too.
It's not salt and vinegar, but it is cheese and onion. So it says best ever flavor, and the flavor is spelled the British way. There's a U in there.
Flavor.
Flavor. Yes. All right, so we're going with the salty snacks now. You've had these before as well?
Yeah,
okay.
I do like
That's
this
so
flavor.
Poofy.
Oh wow, yeah.
It's a poofy chip. Crisp.
It's good.
Yeah, I definitely would give the prawn cocktail the winner on that, but those are not bad. Okay, England with your crispy chips.
Walk right into my mouth. Every time we go over to Europe, I'm like always like stocking up on Walkers because they're so good.
And honestly, I would rather eat these than, I'm not a big Lay's, it's too salty for me. These, I think it's like just the right amount of flavor without it being too salty. Cool.
This is a good box.
This is a good box. So far, so good.
Go for this here. Get something sweet. Cadbury mini fingers.
Ooh, Cadbury.
Anything Cadbury, you can't really go wrong. If you go into a convenience store over there, you'll mostly see Cadbury candies.
Okay.
Here, mostly you'll see like Mars brand, but over there, they do have some Mars stuff, but mostly Cadbury.
Is that a British-based snack? Okay. I did not know that. I knew Cadbury was foreign, but I didn't know specifically.
Yeah.
Or Atlantically, where it was from.
I've definitely had these before. It's just like little cookies coated in chocolate.
Mini fingers. It's like Twix without the caramel. That's kind of what that reminds me of.
That's good. Yeah.
So it's like a little cookie in the middle and chocolate coated.
You just have them with your tea. A lot of these are tea snacks. Everything's a tea snack.
I love tea though, so I'm totally about it.
Very good. I love Cadbury, anything. Their chocolate just tastes so different to me. Nothing's better.
I don't know, I feel like Hershey's and stuff, it's a very chewy chocolate, like you have to chew it. This, you could just let it soak and it would go away.
Yeah.
Delicious. Oh, my turn.
Yeah.
Okay, this feels weird, so I'm going with, ew! They gave me mustard. Mustard, too. Why do I need this?
A cube of mustard. I can't say I've never seen that.
Do people just snack on mustard in England?
Don't think so. Did they
We're
do
doing
anything
this.
to put it on?
You realize we're doing this right now. We could put it on a chip.
Oh, you open it like a tube of medicine?
It looks like a paint tube. Oh my gosh. Do you want to put it on a chip? Just go for
Let
it.
me see if I have like a pretzel or something.
Okay.
I don't have any pretzels. How about a saltine cracker?
That, yes. I don't understand.
It literally looks like an oil paint tube.
I don't know about this. This is so weird and random, but yes, we're eating mustard just for you.
Off a saltine cracker. Cheers.
Oh.
Oh my god. That's so strong. It tastes like
Oh
paint
my
thinner.
god.
It's making my nose burn.
This is a lie. That's like horseradishy almost. Burns like wasabi.
Yeah, it literally tastes like mustard wasabi.
Oh my god, y'all's palates are your palates. Oh no. I feel like this is something you would cook with versus like just put on something. Way too potent. Put a fiery helping on your roast, stir generously in your gravy, or lash onto your sandwich. I would not put this on any sandwich.
No.
Absolutely not.
Way too strong.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's move on to something to get that out of our
Yes,
mouth.
please.
These are Jacob's mini cheddars.
Is it gonna be like Cheez-Its?
But yeah, that's what I imagine.
Yeah.
I've seen these. They're like little cheese crackers.
Oh, that's fun. I don't like Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its are weird to me.
Not quite like the Cheez-It, but it's a little bit different. Cheesy cracker. Kind of tastes like mac and cheese.
Yeah, it does. Mild enough.
Yeah.
Hints of cheese in there. That's not bad at all.
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
5 out of
appreciate that.
5.
Yeah, there you go. All right, I feel like this is something sweet.
Ooh. That is a flake bar. It like falls apart.
It's so flaky. There's so many layers to that.
This is one of my favorite British candies next to the crunchy, but the flakes are very, very good. When I was a kid, they put flakes in ice cream. So we would do like a soft serve ice cream and then stick a flake bar in there.
How cute.
But it'll totally fall apart. You just kind of have to
Grab at it.
break it off.
Oh my god.
It just like crumbles and
It
it'll like
does.
melt in your mouth.
Oh, that's... It's
It'll
crumbling.
get everywhere.
Very light Cadbury again.
Yeah, Cadbury.
Coming in the clutch.
It's different than like anything that you like whatever normally eat
The texture is just really, I don't know, I like that. I would eat it just for...
for like the texture.
Yeah, exactly.
You think a Butterfinger is messy, like these
I love
just
Butterfingers.
fall apart.
There's
Crumbs everywhere.
crumbs everywhere. So cute.
Yeah, that's
a
actually
very fun concept.
It's delicious, and that's actually my dad's favorite.
Really? I can't imagine the process of making that. That's so many thin layers of chocolate.
Yeah.
I can't imagine.
Good thing we don't have to do it.
Yes, there you go. Okay.
I saw this little Big Bin tin can. Oh, it's tea. Okay.
I got tea?
How fun. So you got English breakfast tea. We're not gonna sit here and make a pot of tea, but
That's so cool.
cute.
Big Ben.
Oh, it sounds like it's loose tea.
Oh, so you need the infuser ball.
Oh, fun.
I have one of those at home, so
Well,
that's
good.
really cool.
How very fitting of them to have sent tea.
I appreciate that. Now I have something to use these for.
Demons.
Basically. Jolly good. Oh, no. Going for it. Oh, that's heavy.
Is that
Ooh,
honey?
Marmite.
Oh, Marmite.
What
Okay.
is this?
This stuff is super weird. I've never tried it.
Yeast extract.
So this actually, it's popular in England, but it's actually also really popular in Australia and New Zealand.
Is it kind of like Vegemite?
Vegemite.
Yeah.
It's like a spread of some sort. People just put it on their toast and just eat it.
Do you want to get the saltines out? See what it does?
Let me get us some little spoons so we
Okay.
can get like a baseline flavor.
I'm kind of scared. I feel like this is going to be nasty.
Yeah, I'm a little bit scared too.
Ew.
It looks like it might taste like Nutella, but it also looks like it
Ew,
might be
it
disgusting.
smells gross. It's bubbling.
Ew.
Bubbles!
Oh. That smells bad.
Do you see that bubble? That's ridiculous.
It smells so bad.
What are they doing? Oh no. It's like caramel consistency, looks like chocolate, and smells like shit.
Yes. Oh no.
Oh,
I'm gonna stop smelling it.
Oh no! Holy moly!
No.
I didn't even get it off the spoon. So bad! Oh my god, what?
Alright, so I was looking up Marmite, and apparently it's a byproduct of beer brewing. It says to add a teaspoon or two to meaty stew, bolognese, or French onion soup to add a deep savory flavor, or spread over roast chicken before cooking, or try it on toast topped with poached eggs.
Oh no, not that. I could see it with French onion soup. I could see it for like a roast or something, but oh my gosh, not for fun, not on a sandwich.
No, it
None of
literally, like, the first article says 7 ways to eat Marmite that don't suck. That's how you know it's not good.
In
Like,
the comments below, if you've ever tried this, tell me what was going through you.
Yeah, why?
Why?
Number one question,
Oh.
why?
I'm baffled right now, and I'm really mad that they sent this. I got excited. I was like, oh, it's gonna be honey.
No.
No, it's not.
No, honey.
Nope. Gonna
Let's
have
get that flavor
nightmares.
out of our mouth.
Yes.
Okay, this should help. You get Cadbury Dairy Milk Bar. So this is just gonna be like plain old chocolate. They do make it in other flavors over there. Like they'll put caramel in it, or they'll do it with like Oreo cookies. So yeah, it's just Cadbury chocolate. Can't go wrong with this one.
Very fun. Okay. Oh, it's good chocolate. It just like melts so quickly.
Yeah.
Like Hershey's, I would still be chewing on it.
Yeah, it doesn't
Really
like
good.
make your mouth feel sticky or like sugary. It is sweet. Like yes, it's milk chocolate and it's definitely a sweet candy, but it's not sickening.
Not for resale, and I think that's really funny because they totally
Yeah, they
technically
totally
resold
resold
it. So I'm gonna dig in. That feels crackery.
Ooh,
Ooh,
it's a biscuit. I
Okay.
think both of those are biscuits actually.
Perfect.
Last item there.
I feel like this could be coffee or tea or both.
Yes, I'd
Potentially.
say either or. It's a little tea biscuit.
I don't think I've ever had something like this. I've had, what are the cookies that they give you on flights?
Biscotti.
Biscotti, I've had that. That's probably like the closest thing I would say. to
Yeah,
this.
similar. Okay, that's really nice.
That, I feel with tea or coffee, this would be amazing. That's very nice. Very mild flavor. It is very thick, but that's to soak up all the good flavor of coffee or tea.
Yeah, it's a nice little snack.
So that is it. We have finished the box. And honestly, I'm very pleased with this. I think there's a lot of fun variety.
Yes.
Not even gonna talk about it.
No.
This, not even gonna talk about it. I'm gonna pretend like that wasn't in the box. And then it's 10 out of 10. I am very curious. I think I will try to play with this, see if I can concoct something that is edible and or eatable. Because I'm so competitive. I'm such a competitive person that I want to try to make this work. Challenge accepted. Stick around, turn on notifications for when I deal with that. Probably not anytime soon, but eventually. Anyway, this was really fun.
It was.
Audrey actually helped me pick out this box because a lot of the ones that I was finding was candy based, very sweet. And I think this is a good mixture, so good call on that. There is one thing that I'm disappointed about.
Oh no.
It didn't come with Crunchies.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Crunchies,
so good.
if you've never tried one, you can buy them on Amazon. It's a little pricey. It is honeycomb coated chocolate and it just melts in your mouth.
So good.
That is my favorite British candy of all time. Get you a Crunchie if you haven't tried one.
She had told me about these, and I think it was for your birthday, where
Yes.
I got off of Amazon, I got this British box, and it looks like the British flag, and it's a whole bunch of Crunchies. I was like, here you go, you told me you like these. And she let me try a bite, and I was like, fell in love. I wish that that was a part of the group.
But I am glad that you got to try the prawn chips.
Oh, I'm so happy about that. Delicious. Very good. Indeed.
Indeed.
I would definitely recommend this. I would say money's worth, especially with lots of cute stuff.
I'll find
something to use that, because
Yeah.
that's something to keep around.
Presentation, 10 out of 10. Contents minus the spicy
Basically British now.
Yep.
Thanks again for hosting.
Absolutely.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Comment below if you like this kind of thing. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out Audrey's channel. She just got to 100,000 subscribers.
Yay!
Congratulations. And let's get her 100,000 more. Having a super fun time doing all this for you guys. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay bright. Bye.
Bye.